Obviously, the basics that you can do in Slack, you can send a message to a colleague, you can have group conversations, you can have themed channels. So if there's a particular topic you're working through with a few colleagues, you can all sit in one group and have a group discussion about it. There are private channels, and all of these we all take for granted now with Facebook Messenger, with WhatsApp groups, and Slack does the basics well, but I've got to admit Slack handles the advanced features incredibly well. So it is essentially a cloud hosting software. You can send videos. The person on the other end can stream the video seamlessly. You can collaborate within files. It's always instant. It's a brilliant bit of platform, and I'm not surprised that everyone's jumping on board.